Hello everyone, I'm Pradeep Falswal. I'm here with the correction session on exercise 25th. Here we studied use of get as causative verb. So now in this exercise we have first sentence as वह अपने कपड़े धुलवाता है. He gets his clothes washed. It is indefinite present tense, so this is why no helping verb has been used here. After this we find get में s आया है just because of he. So यहाँ पर रूल आपका लागू हुआ कौन सा? इंडेफिनिट प्रेजेंट का. मूविंग अहेड वी हैव सेकंड सेंटेंस मेरे दादाजी अपनी साइकिल ठीक करवा रहे हैं. माय ग्रैंडफादर is getting his bicycle repaired. Here we find continuous present tense, so simple for us to find it out. My grandfather is getting his bicycle repaired. Next is क्या अमन को यह फोन ठीक करवाना था. Here we find use of was to word to. क्या अमन को अपना फोन ठीक करवाना था. Okay, यह फोन ठीक करवाना था. Was अमन to get this phone repaired. Moving ahead, चलो इस पार्क में नए पौधे रोपित करवाएं. Let's get new saplings planted in this park. नए पौधे new saplings. You can say this. Let's का यूज था यहाँ पर. Let's get new saplings planted in this park. Fifth is here. मैं यह चित्र किससे बनवाऊं. From whom should I get this picture drawn. मैं यह चित्र किससे बनवाऊं. क्या वे अब हमारे लिए ताजमहल बनवाएं. Should they get the Taj Mahal constructed or built for us now. आप built भी कह सकते हैं और यहाँ constructed भी कह सकते हैं. Next is मैं अपनी आंखों का इलाज करवाना चाहता हूँ. I want to get my eyes treated. Eighth is here. सरकार को सड़कें बनवानी चाहिए थी. सरकार को सड़कें बनवानी चाहिए थी. The government should have got the roads constructed. Get got भी होता है, get got gotten भी होता है. So go ahead by this. The government should have got the roads constructed. Next is उससे अपना इलाज मत करवाओ. Do not get your treatment done from her or do not get yourself treated from her. Like this. क्या आप शुरू से ही यह कार्य दूसरों से करवा रहे हैं. Have you been getting this work done from others since starting. Here you find perfect continuous present tense. 11th is वह जनता से कुछ भी करवा सकता था. Could have का यूज है यहाँ पर. He could have got done anything from the public. He could have got done anything or he could have got anything done. Now see here students, here you better use this anything here, right? He could have got anything done from the public. वो जनता से कुछ भी करवा सकता था. So remember you need to use this anything here at this place. Moving ahead, the last one. नव्या से कौन कौन खाना बनवा सकता है. Whosoever or whoso else can get the food cooked from Navya. I believe you have understood and you will make proper correction work here. Thanks a lot for paying attention. Please go ahead and find out errors if there are any in your task that you have done. Thanks a lot.